video, I'm going to show you how to find your banking details to pay your BCoinWise registration fee. That's the 200 Rand once-off registration fee, which you need to pay to activate your account and to be able to get commissions from people below you and any other commissions that could become due to you. Okay, so first of all, you need to log on to your account, and you go to BCoinWise, BECW.co.za, and you log on over here using your phone number and then your password that you chose. Okay, once you've logged on, you then go over here where it says settings, and over here you'll find the details that you pay. You pay CelBux, okay, and when you're paying CelBux, the preferred account that they like you to use is NEDBANK with this number over here, and your reference must be BCW, and then it's your phone number. So you replace this number, which is my number, with your cell phone number, and make sure it's got BCW in front without any spaces whatsoever, exactly as you see it here. Okay, there's only one other thing that I want to mention, that there has been a problem with Capitec payments because of this account number here, not for any fault of NEDBANK or of the system itself, but because of a fraudulent number that comes up on Capitec, being the same number as this somehow, somewhere. Anyway, so if you're paying from Capitec, the recommendation there, I'm going to log on to CelBux, which you can do as well. So if you log on to CelBux, I'm going to log on with the same account. And then I'm going to show you where to find all the banking details that you can pay into, just remembering to still use BCW in front of your cell phone number. You can use your phone number with +27 or with a 0. So once you've logged on and it comes up, you go to top up over here. I'm still waiting for it. Okay, so you wait for it to completely come up. Then you click on top up, and it works the same on your cell phone, by the way. So this is that main number that they recommend, the one that you'll find on BCW, on BCoinWise. Okay, and there's the details over there. So if you look just below this, you'll see net cash as an alternative payment method. And here you've got the alternative of all the bank accounts, and you could use any of these bank accounts here. Just make sure your reference number is correct. So understand, if you're paying CelBux for loading, for putting credits onto your CelBux account, you just put your phone number, either with 27 and the rest of the number, or you put the 0 in front as you would normally predict your number. But if you're paying BCW for the registration fee, the once-off fee, you need to make it BCW in front so that the system knows it's for CelBux. Have a look at the description below this video if you want to see it, or copy and paste the information. That's all listed there for you as well.